Hey, good evening, everyone. In tonight's free video, I want to take a look at a couple of the indexes here. Most noticeably, the S&P 500 here has taken out these highs over the last few days here and has closed multiple times above them. So our normal expectation is to see a move from here to there. We've broken through, so we're expecting to see a move at least to the 127 extension. So that's about 10 points from where we are. I think that's very likely if we get any upside momentum. Now tomorrow we have employment numbers, so you want to make sure you're aware of that. And we've been having a lot of a tight range over the last few days. You see, we've been trading basically in a very small range for the good part of 3 or 4 trading days. At some point, it's going to break through here, right? And if it does, I think it's got a good chance of getting that 127. If it doesn't, then it's going to be interesting to see what happens. Now, when we look at another market that has very similar correlation to the S&P 500, which is going to be the Dow, because they tend to move in tandem, one of the interesting things is we aren't able to take out these highs, at least not yet. Now, the close today is somewhat bullish, but until we get a close above here, we can't really have that same expectation of the 127 extension, okay? So I am extremely, I'm waiting to see if this thing can actually get up to and close above this level. If it does, then there's a good chance, again, about a 70% chance to a 127 extension, and then possibly even further. We might even take out these highs. So again, I think tomorrow's close and tomorrow's weekly close is going to be really important. And the reason being is when we look at, let's say, the spiders, and we go to a weekly chart, this is looking very interesting here. And you've got the situation where you've sold off, and now this is a bounce. And the big question is going to be, is this a dead cat bounce before we head lower? Or is this, just like this, a bounce before we continue to sort of trend higher? Nobody really knows that, but the weekly close, in my opinion, is going to be very important to see what comes out of the next couple of weeks. I think tomorrow's close will have big implications over the rest of the month. So keep an eye on both of those markets and watch to see where the weekly and daily closes are tomorrow. Okay? Other than that, we have one. All right, sorry about that. Other than that, we're doing a webinar tomorrow, so feel free to check us out. We're going to be talking about what we do here at Ratio Trading, some of the stuff that we teach, how Fibonacci's are extremely powerful and can help your trading, and we'll probably take a look at some charts as well. So if you're interested in checking that out, just visit our website here, which is ratiotrading.com, and you can scroll down here, and what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom here, and you're going to see this blue box. In this blue box, you'll click the Getting Started link right here, and it'll take you to a page where you can sign up for the webinar. I don't know why it's giving me these issues, but there it is. So you can sign up by clicking down here, register now. I'll also hyperlink you to it at the end of the video here, and we'll see you guys there. So take care, and we'll see you at the next update.